Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the super popular Riverstone Legacy Model 42 FSKG. Hey everyone, today we are taking a look at the awesome Riverstone Legacy. So much to go over. Let's begin. This is a top-of-the-line fifth wheel by Forest River. Beautiful full body paint, upgraded pin box, Furion side cameras for 360-degree viewing. I love that. This has hydraulic auto leveling, hydraulic steps, assisted, so it's super easy and lightweight. Beautiful full body paint, frameless windows, H-rated tires, and here's the best part about the whole thing. This is not a toy hauler, and this is not a fifth wheel. This is a luxury fifth wheel with a garage. This actually drops down, and this part raises up, and it raises up into the living room so you can bring your bikes, your kayaks, your golf carts with you camping. Super awesome. Let's take a look at the inside. This is an awesome front kitchen unit. Absolutely fantastic. You don't see this in most fifth wheels. Tons of countertop space, residential size appliances, dishwasher here, amazing. You got plenty of countertop space, really nice. Right there's your dinette. It's like a desk style. I love that. MSRP on this unit's $185. They have it discounted to $152,000. You guys can't afford a house? Buy an RV. That's the way to do it. I could live in this. Over here we got a 66-inch TV. Entertainment seats right there. And let's say you work from the road. Now you can. You have a dedicated office space. Fantastic and awesome. Coming on up here, tell us what we got going on in the bathroom.
Great bathroom with an awesome toilet placement, huge shower, and nice vanity and mirror.
Perfect. Wrapping it all up. Oops, sorry about that. Coming on into the master bedroom. As I said, this bed lifts up so you have all that garage space. Tons of space here, tons of storage there. TV, stackable washer dryer. This is a full-time fifth wheel, luxury fifth wheel with a garage machine. Great, so that's it. That's the Riverstone Legacy. Guys, do us a huge favor. If you're interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables, to see the full thing. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click our link down below, and a member of our team will reach out to you guys and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.